Okay guys, today we'll watch the method of object tracking using color filters and a quite interesting application, image masking. At first let's have a brief look into the codes. I'm using the OpenCV API. Here the first few lines are just for including the header files. Then here I have made the camera object to capture the frame into 300 into 300 pixels. Then these are the variables used. Here these are the tracking bars for calibrating the image for the definite color filter. Then here is the structures made for processing the image, and the final process starts here. At first I have converted the captured image, the frame object, into a HSV format, BGR to HSV format. Then I have threshold that into a range of hue saturation value between the value we have set before using the track bars. Then I have eroded the image twice, then applied the Gaussian blur twice, then dilated that image, and thus we get a binary image. And we will use that binary image as the mask for copying the image from our input frame into the uh, uh, output image. So let's calibrate that image. I have made all the calibration already, but for the sake of demonstration, let's have a look into how I have calibrated it. At first, the total image has been threshold into a white image. That means every pixels are in the range of our threshold. But if I decrease the hue saturation value, the hue saturation conversion from the main frame into the hue saturation frame, we see that our object has become a quite glowy of green color. So let's threshold it. Okay, it's quite done. Thus we have got the values of our the threshold values within which we can apply the color filters to separate our object. Now let's make a quite change in our code. I have commented out that frame. We will be using the raw data coming from the camera. We have got the calibrated values, so we no longer need these track bars, and we will just show our frame image or the masking image using key input. Okay, let's see. That's all. Have a good day.